Hey guys, this is your boy Bobby, and I'm going to show you a few things over the next, however many months or whatever weeks it takes. So I'm going to show you a few things, and today I'm going to show you a quick trick for your lace front installments to help your lace front installment go a little bit quicker and more accurate. So, stay tuned, and I'll show you in a second. Okay, guys. Excuse my very messy bedroom right now. It really is, yeah, I don't know what this blanket is doing up there. I don't know. But, so, one thing you need to make your installments go a little bit quicker is a template. So, I'm going to show you how to make a quick template. So, this is my girl, Kara, and so, what you want to do is get the unit, and then you find something, some kind of material. This is a felt bag I got from buying a wig. Hello YouTube. So now I'm going to show you guys how to make a template for your frontals, and this makes your install go a lot faster. It just makes it go a lot faster when you don't have to deal with moving your hair out of the way. You can put something on, accurately draw your hairline, do your paste, do your glue, and you're done. Alright, so what you'll need are these things. Something like a piece of material that will work as your template. This is a piece of felt perfect. Make sure it's ear to ear. You want to make sure it goes past a little bit where your actual front of your frontal actually stops, so that you have sort of like markers, so got that. Speaking of markers, something to draw the template onto. To draw the template on with, and then scissors to cut it, and of course your unit. Okay, so you want to put your unit where you would normally wear it. Okay, so I'm using the camera to kind of judge this, so I'm going to make sure this is tight down. I'm going to use the mirror right now. Hey YouTube, I am doing a tutorial on how to make a template for your frontals. This makes the process of installing faster, neater, I think. Here's overall faster. You get an install done on the head, glued down in at the max 10 minutes, depending on how good your stencil is. So, the things you're going to need are a piece of material, a piece of paper that goes from ear to ear. This is a piece of felt that was a bag for a unit actually that I bought at the store. This was a hair storage bag. So I use this, and you want to make sure it goes from ear to ear and a little bit past the ear, so you have kind of a marker. Sort of like a tab, so you can so you can see exactly where. Just a marker, like a point of reference. So you want to make it a little bit longer than ear to ear, just a little bit, like half an inch. You're going to need a marker to draw on the template, and you're going to need your unit and some scissors, of course. Okay, so I've already clipped back the hair in this unit, so I'm just going to move that out the way. You do not want to do your template on your mannequin head or your styrofoam head, because it's not your head, and the template will come out fitted for this and not for this, and it will just, you'll have to do it over. So I'm going to put this into place. You want to make sure it's all the way flat, no bumps, and that's good. Let's scoot back a little bit. Alright, and then you want to take your unit and place it exactly where you would place it if you were gluing it down. It's pretty self-explanatory, but you want to make sure this is flat when you're drawing it, and when you're placing the unit on it too. There's something wrong with my teeth. There's 8 of them. donut, guys. Sorry about that. That was gross. Alright, so hi guys, Bobby, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a template for your lace frontal. This will make your install go by faster and maybe a little bit neater. Okay guys, I'm sorry about that. I thought it was kind of funny to leave that in there. So this is take 4, and really the only difference in this and the rest of the takes is that when it comes to me actually drawing on the template, it's best to have the felt inside of the unit and then place it on your head, as opposed to trying to put the felt or the template on your head and then try and put the unit on top of the template and then try and draw it. It just works out easier this way I'm showing you. So just wanted to show you guys this. All right, here we go. Out. See, I cut my hairline. Like I cut indentions in this one because I wanted it to mimic a male's hairline and not a female's hairline. So I cut to make it look kind of like it was receding a little bit instead of going through all that plucking. Let me tell you, no plucking. All right, so I have this inside the unit, as flat as I can possibly get it. It'll flatten out more when I put it on my head. So. All right, and we're looking even from ear to ear. Okay, great. So I'm gonna throw this baby on. All right, and then you're going to want to make sure it's where you would wear it, where you would normally wear it when you glue it down. I have a big forehead, so I'm gonna scoot this back just a little bit. And you wanna make sure this is flat. You wanna make sure there's no bubbles in it and no bumps. So I'm gonna pull that flat like that. And okay, let me put this hair up. This is still a little bit far for me up, so I have a big forehead. Okay. All right, so hairline at? My real hairline is here, so this is, oh, I know these go up a little bit further. This side is good. This side I'm going to scooch up a little bit. All right, and when you got that where you want it, make sure all the hair's out the way. You want to go ahead and start to mark it. I would say don't worry too much about getting a little bit of ink or whatever you use. I would rather actually use a eyeliner pencil, but I can't. Actually, you know what? I do have it. You know, I'm gonna use a marker. I'm gonna use a marker because that eyeliner pencil breaks easy. So anyway, everything is where. Did anything move? Did anything shift? Okay. So you want to get this as accurate as possible. You want it to be like, I mean, just a like copy of the unit. So take your time. Make sure you're getting it right on that lace. I mean, not on the lace, but right against that lace. Okay, I'm looking crazy at the camera. One eye. All right. I'm gonna try and do this in the camera then, actually. Okay, so I already did that piece right there, which is the tab that I cut. And I started right there. Now, I guess I don't mind being like a centimeter off carve. I mean, sometimes a little bit of glue just to catch baby hairs is fine with me. I cannot see that. The lighting is bad. I'm not gonna be able to use the camera, guys, but I'm gonna draw this and I'm gonna show you. Alright, so that side is done. You see? Now I can imagine where it's not connected, how to get that to go. That's a line from an old one that I did. If I wasn't trying to make this for the camera, I'd probably go a little bit faster. Bam. Flat. Pull that flat. Ooh, I got some on the lace, which is fine. I'll have a little bit of alcohol in that and get it out. Went too far back. And see, I didn't get the hair back enough on this side. I need some drawing in the hair right now. Okay, so there. And I know my sideburn stops like there. Alright, so that was making my eyes hurt. Alright, so now you have your template. And looks good. It looks good. It looks good. So you're gonna cut off the excess, which is the front part. Now I leave a little tab. I don't just go straight for my, and I guess ladies don't have the sideburns, but I leave a little tab, like I said, just as a kind of like a point of reference, so I can see where my actual hairline is. It just works for me. And then I'm gonna cut the sideburn. Let me tell you, drawing that thing made my eyes hurt, but it is so well worth it. Once you have it done, it's done. And even if your lace stretches out with beyond recognition, you can use your template to always know where that lace was supposed to go when it was brand new, when that unit was brand new, when things were laying where they were supposed to lay. So that's why I love having a template. So no matter like how wacky your lace gets in the front, if you have that template, you know where it's supposed to go. So there you go. I know I fast forward through this part because it was just me cutting. So now back to me playing with my template. Put my hairline where I want it. Which this I can actually see, like, I mean exactly where I want it. Then I would paint on my glue. See, this is what I'm talking about for the tabs. So my sideburns start here and here. And so I kind of just have a point of reference because this is from ear to ear. If that makes sense. Kind of. So that's my hairline, guys, that I cut into the lace, which looks good. I need to push that back. All right, so let me go ahead and do some prep for my install, which, you know what? I can do it right now. I just don't want to make this video super long, which is already at 10 minutes. So, and it's hot in this bathroom. So I'm gonna let this bathroom air out a little bit and I'll... Woohoo! Got that done. So that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope making a template will make your installments so much easier. I know it did for me. Like if you guys got anything, subscribe. I appreciate feedback, and thank you guys for watching. With the second part of this video. The only second part of this video is when I actually do an install, with my template, which I uploaded that video earlier tonight. So, woohoo! 2 for 2 tonight. All right, Bobby, you are killing it. All right, thanks, guys, for watching. Subscribe, like, love ya. Peace.